Look what just arrived. It's the FA1 and FB1 samples, just in time for the order deadline. Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Rapido Trains Inc., and I'm back for another order deadline update. Today we have our Alco and MLW FA1 and FB1 locomotives. These samples are fresh right out of the shipping box in the last hour or so, so we're going to have a closer look. So this is our Pennsylvania Railroad FA1 and FB1 set.
What is this? What is this? This is not DGLE. This is, I'm sorry. This is like, I don't know, a rhinoceros pooped and this came out, okay? I'm going to find, I cannot believe you, what is that? Hang on, it's here somewhere. Found it. Okay. All right. See this? Can we get the camera in here, please? This here from RS11, that is dark green locomotive enamel. That is not pukey green, I don't know, army quasi something. This is what the FA1's going to look like. I don't know why we have this, but this is, so you have to say that, okay? You have to tell people this is what it's going to look like. Got it? You all right? You good? Okay, as you were.
All right. So as Jason mentioned, these will be dark.
Maybe I should just leave this here. Hang on, I'll just put this here somewhere. Why don't I just put this here, right? Okay, so it's on the track. And then you can, sort of refer to it. So you just know that's what it's going to look like.
Okay.
Not that.
Okay.
Okay,
Go
back.
Go back to your C-suite meeting.
Okay. Like
Janet's waiting for you.
Check this out. Make like a tree and get out of here. All right. See you later. Bye.
Yeah. Okay, Biff. Anyways, yes, so these will be dark green locomotive enamel, as seen on the RS11. Now let's look at those details before he comes back. So, we have that classic Alco FA headlight bezel, or bezel, if you want to be funny. We have separate grab irons on the nose. We have the flat number boards, that's the side boards, which include the class lights inside. We'll be also tooling the other version, that's the angled number boards for the appropriate road names. Again, we've got separate grabs on the top and the side of the nose, separate windshield wipers. We have a full cab interior, including the control stand and cab seats. We have separate ladder grabs. These are metal ladder grabs along the side of the unit. Etched metal grills on the side. We have the full train phone antenna, along with the associated electrical conduit and whatnot on the roof. Single blat horn, dynamic brakes on both the A and the B, and on the radiator fan we also have a very nice etched metal grille covering. Now that is the Pennsylvania FA1 and FB1. Similarly, we have somewhere buried in Jason's stuff, Jesus, guy really leaves a mess, doesn't he? We have the Lehigh and New England FA1 and FB1 set. Again, this set is prototypically correct. We have the side number boards with class lights, separately applied grab irons where appropriate. We've got two single trumpet air horns, front and rear, dynamic brakes. Again, all of these same etched metal grille work and roof-mounted fan grills, just like the prototype. And of course, underbody-wise, we have the full piping and electrical work, everything you'd expect to see on a Rapido model when it's rolled down the hill and on its side. So next, let's do a quick function test on our FA1 and FB1 set. Of course, these locomotives come equipped with ESU V5 decoders, and now are also including MoPower, our uninterrupted locomotive power supply. First, let's get the locomotive started up with function 8. You've got power on there. You've got headlight. Bell, of course. You've got our horn. In this case, it's a single trumpet horn. That's our function 5 Doppler horn, but you can also operate the horn individually as well. So next, let's get rolling on our very short 3.5 foot length display layout. Keep in mind these are pre-production samples, and the programming may be subject to modifications for production. Next, we'll put it in reverse and head back. And there's your brake squeal. Of course, there will be many other sounds and functions included on our models for production. Road name-wise, we have several different prototypically accurate schemes on our FA1s and FB1s in our first release. First off, for the Montreal Locomotive Works versions, we have Canadian National FA1s in the original green and yellow. We also have FA1 and FB1 sets for CP in either the block or script schemes. For the Alco built units in the US, we have Erie, Great Northern, Lehigh in New England, New Haven in either the Orange Delivery Scheme or the McGuinness Scheme, Pennsylvania Railroad, Reading, and Union Pacific. A units are available separately, B units are available in the AB sets. So thanks for joining me for this really quick look at our all-new HO scale FA1 and FB1 locomotives. Now, the order deadline is coming up really quick. That's going to be September the 15th, 2023, after which we'll get these locomotives into production, and if all goes well, we'll have them arriving early in 2024. Stay tuned to our product delivery schedule or upcoming newsletters for regular updates. And of course, make sure to see your dealer or visit us at rapidotrains.com to place your reservation today. So once again, thanks for joining me for this quick look at our FA1s and FB1s. We will see you again very soon for another Rapido video. Bye now.
Lunatics!